Make a great choice today with the 2020 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, driver convenience group, four-wheel disc brakes, ventilated front seats, power sunroof, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.